Okay, you guys, listen. I hit the major jackpot. We went to Dollar General and I don't know what happened over there, but the stuff is cold. You see the ice on it and everything. And I mean, just tons and tons. Look, a case of cheese. And I'm giving Chancellor's girlfriend some stuff. Cinnamon rolls, sour cream. Hold that bag open. Sour cream, cinnamon rolls, cheese, eggs. We got 2 cases of eggs, cereal. What's in this? Oh yeah, granola bars. We hit a CVS bag right there. And in this one is Blue Bonnet butter. There's the eggs. Here's what is in this one. This is, lemonade. Cases of lemonade. Yeah, we had to leave some back. We didn't have enough room. Yeah, this fruit punch. You want some of that?
Yeah.
Some of them are froze. And the stuff don't run out till September. There was some meat that show the date on it.
Yeah. Let's see, September 25th of September.
25th of September this year. Okay. Over here, there's the Velveeta. Cases of silk milk. Bags of Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. Check the date on that. I know it's good. So undoubtedly they just had a power outage. And do you want a tea? Come and get this.
October 21st on the cheese.
October 21st.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Huh? Cases of the, I can't see, I don't have on my glasses. Yo Crunch, I think, with M&Ms. Let me see, I might just give her a case of these okay, that's cheese. Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't know where to go with all this. Oh my gosh. Are you back? Okay, hold on. See what the date on that is?
December 23rd.
Of this year?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God, the little Milo teas. Look, and
Well, shoot.
a case of
French vanilla.
French vanilla.
Oh.
Look, it's frozen.
Oh, yes.
And so when it's in the refrigerator, it'll unthaw.
Yeah.
You need one of these?
3. They love them.
You want, what's the date on this?
Let's see. September 3rd.
Oh, look. You didn't see this.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Just sit your bag down, girl. Just sit your bag down. Okay? All right, now we gotta go to this bag. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. Oh, this is bacon, y'all.
Oh.
This is the bacon you put in the microwave. What's the date on that? And if y'all don't eat it now, freeze it.
March of next year. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what's in this. Oh gosh. More cheese.
Lord.
This is sharp cheddar now. Hey, hold on. put this in your thing real fast now. Let me show this. This is dairy, half and half. Do y'all use half and half? See what? Well, if you don't, you gotta take it. What is this? Cheesecake. Look at this, y'all. Let me get you some more vegetables. Because all this froze juice is on this. Look at this lemonade. Oh, another case of eggs. We found Hostess cupcakes tonight, still in date. That bag right there in the front seat we done been through. Okay, we done been through all this at the bottom, right? Yeah. Y'all, I'm not believing this. This is Milo's tea right here. This whole case, and we still had to leave stuff. Oh my God, silk milk, eggs, another case of eggs. More coffee creamer. Oh gosh. Let's see what's in this bag. Oh heck, I can't get the knot out.
Hazelnut coffee cream.
Oh my God, that is
Orange
my
juice.
favorite.
I think there's some more. The date is
The orange juice.
I think it's September. I don't know if I got room in my refrigerator for that one.
Okay.
That looks pretty.
I don't know. Huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty in the camera, man.
You got to go take this in.
We're going to take these first.
All right. This bag full of goodies right here. Got some little swimmers. This is all the trash to prove it. Right here, here. And I want to show y'all something. And tonight I said I didn't want any food. And I went out, and the last stop we hit, this stuff was cold. It was frozen. I got 2 cases of eggs. I got, I think 2 cases of silk almond milk, Grand biscuits, French vanilla, coffee creamer, juice, lemonade, juice. This is sliced cheese, sour cream, orange juices and lemonades back there, pimento cheese, a pack of ham. Now I want y'all to know, y'all can see where it's sweating because this stuff, they tried to save it and it was froze. The ice is still on it. And I gave my grandson's girlfriend some of this. And I gave her piles of it too. And so that ain't all. I am hurting so bad now. It's not even funny. Up here, now these are in our garage, so I had to put all the food out here in the garage and praying I had enough room. I gave her, let's see, I kept 6 packs and I gave her 5 packs of the Smithfield bacon that you put in the microwave that's already cooked. No, I kept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I gave her 6. I got, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think I gave her 3 or 4 bluebonnet margarines. And that ain't all. I want y'all to look at this. Hazelnut creamer. Eggs again. Lunchables. Eggs. Velveeta cheese. Sour cream. These are cheesecakes right there. Organic lemonade. Some more juice. Cups of cheese like this. Just full back there. Blocks of cheese. Packs of sliced. I got Velveeta. Back here. Milo's teas. I got 4 gallons. And then I got these bottle ones. This is yogurts with M&Ms that we got. This is a case of sliced cheese Velveeta right here. And I gotta get this thing shut. I'm trying to look behind there. Let's see. This is cheese in here. Cinnamon rolls. And there was more over there, but we couldn't get any more. Half and half. Cheese here. And I'm looking for Kraft sliced cheese because we got some of that and I don't know where it's at in here. I've got everything piled in here. Eggs as far back as you can see. I'm looking for the Kraft. It might be up here with the Velveeta. All the cheese runs back there as far as you can see it. I've got to make sure I put the Kraft cheese in here. That way I won't be. I've done double checked my car. And there's nothing left in there. The big organic lemonades, the little ones. Oh gosh. I am hurting y'all. That was work. This may be the Kraft cheese here. I think it is. Yeah. This Kraft singles. Juices as far as you can look. This tea, I'm taking some in the house. Another case of sour cream. And loaded in the refrigerators. So I started at something after 1. Y'all see that? It's 2:51 in the morning. It was frozen stuff. I don't know if the power went out and they tried to save the stuff and everything. The cheeses weren't froze. It was the teas and the silk milk and the orange juices and the lemonades. I don't think were froze, but they had ice on them. And so we started getting back. That's a lot of stuff in there. A lot. And Cynthia, I will never say I'm not going to get food again. Never. Because I was sure taught a lesson tonight. God showed out and He showed me what He was going to give me, not what I wanted. Because y'all know I go after the merch and the Bath and Body Works stuff and things like that. I didn't find any of that tonight. So, and the bags were so heavy to lift out. You're talking bags of frozen orange juice and creamer and all this kind of stuff. Lifting them up out of there. I mean, that was work. To ignore the garage. I mean, it's in a mess right now. So this is the morning after. And y'all see the Velveeta cheese, the orange juices, the eggs. And I did show y'all this last night, but I'm more alert today. Hazelnut creamer, a case of that. And like I said, I gave Chancellor's girlfriend some of the stuff. There's Velveeta cheese slices back there. There's the Milo's tea. There's cheeses in here and cinnamon rolls. There's cheeses in here. Blocks of cheeses, lemonades, cheese up there. These are cheesecake chocolates, but you can put the chocolate on it if you want it. Sour cream, Velveeta slices, half and half. Oh gosh, fruit punch. Then the bacon I got for my grandson. This, I gave his girlfriend's son. This will go, this is the microwave kind, and this is the blue bonnet butter. So he can just pop it in the microwave and have his breakfast in that. So in this refrigerator, found a case of French vanilla, 2 cases of eggs, 2 cases of silk almond milk, the Grand biscuits, a drawer full of those. I gave her some of those. Kraft single slices, a whole case of that. She got some of those. The Milo's tea, the lemonade, the orange juice back there, the silk milk, the sour cream. Another thing is sour cream. I've got one in the other refrigerator. Some more tea, orange juice in this drawer, eggs, orange juice all back in there, pimento cheese, and 1 thing of chicken breast. So I'm just thankful for it. I'm thankful for it all. And this will be well taken care of and everything. So I'm trying to keep this refrigerator shut. So let's start off. I got 1, 2, this one has 5 packs in it. So I got 3 boxes with 6 of the Hostess cupcakes, Star Spangled cupcakes. So that's 6, 12, 18, 23 packs. Came in this one bag. So there were 3 of the Wheat Thins Originals, 1 white chocolate macadamia nut cookies, 8 fresh stacks of the Nabisco Premiums, and then 2 of the big boxes. These are the little packs. These are the 2 big boxes. And then their brand of saltine crackers. All these are saltines. A pack of little Swimmers. Nothing was wrong with them. 2 original beef and cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of the original beef sticks. Wild sticks, it says. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of the hot Jack Link's Wild Stick. A thing of Montauk milk chocolate cookies. Thing of Nutella pretzel sticks. Let's see, that's the 8-pack of Ritz crackers. Now these are different ones. There's dark chocolate, golden oat, cranberry orange, blueberry, and another cranberry orange. So, let's see, I got 2, 4, 6 boxes of the Velveeta, and they're good till August the 20th. I meant August the 14th of 20. These Belvita protein, oats, honey, and chocolate. They're good till August the 4th of 20. Let's say the goldfish are good till August the 2nd. And then I have 2 little goldfish. They're good till July the 25th. I have 2 little cartons of those. I have 3 things of the personal size Cheerios. Then I have 2, 4, 6, 8 of the Crunch Berries of these. Let's see. 6 of the Lucky Charms. 2 of the 8 cookies Nutter Butters. Oh gosh, can't get my words right. Nutter Butters, not Butter Nutter. Okay. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the salted peanuts, 3 of the honey roasted peanuts, 3 packs of these Austin peanut butter on toasty sandwich crackers. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these little 10 Oreos in a pack. No, 5 of them. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got a pack of Oreos, a big pack. 3 of the little cups of the golden Oreo minis. 2 of these premium wafers with chocolate cream. And a thing of Ritz peanut butter cracker sandwiches. I think I said that right. A bag of Kettle brand crinkle cut potato chips, salt and fresh ground pepper, and I love these. So thank God it did not go any further and it didn't mess it up. A pack of veggie chips. A pack of Heavenly Light popcorn. Now these are Oreos with 2 in each pack, 2 cookies in a pack. So there's 4 packs in there. 8. So 8 cookies, and I got 3 of these. 1, 2, 3 of these. The pretzel pieces I got where, even though the date's out of them, but I did get these. Honey mustard and onion. So I got 3 packs of those. I got 2 packs of the baked cheddar cheese balls of those kind. I got 2 Gold Emblem mini pretzels twisties. A Vortman vanilla wafers. A Sheila G's brownie brittle chocolate chip. I'm going to get that out right. Sheila G's brownie brittle chocolate chip. Say that fast 3 times, would you? And a thing of Gold Emblem Danish cookies. A 10 can of those. And a 10, not 10 the number, 10 the can. So, this is an overview of everything. I was just so happy when I found this bag. They had just threw it out. And I thought, oh my God, I cannot get it out by myself. I cannot get it out. So my grandson's girlfriend was with me, and so she ran over to help me get it out too, because she had the grabber in her hand, had to go put that back in the car. And so then I started lifting out, and I thought the bag was going to tear open. And so she ran over there and helped me get it, and we got it in the back of the car, and we got gone. So, and this right here is a blessing. It is a blessing because, you know, you can bless so many others with stuff like this. I mean, so many people out here will be happy with this. I know the grandkids will be happy with the Oreos and the cereal things and all. I'm looking quite rough today, so y'all gotta ignore it. That was a long night, and then after packing both those refrigerators with all that, it was unreal. I got in the house and I was so emotional after all of that. that I got in here, and I cried like a baby. I literally cried. And it still makes me tear up to know that we found all that stuff. And it was going to go to waste, and it was going to go to the landfill. Even though I still had to leave some behind, I got so emotional when I got in the house, and I had to thank God for it. I thanked him so much for giving me this. And it was just like a feeling you can't explain, but knowing that it was going to be gone. And had I not got there when I did, maybe an hour or two later, it wouldn't have been no good. Who knows? I don't know. All I can say is I thank God for all of that. And I love each and every one of you. I thank you for watching my channel. And I'm just overwhelmed with all the love. I got lost for words for a second there, but I'm just overwhelmed with all the love that y'all show me and y'all give me. And then I thank you for your comments and watching. And I do get back to each one of y'all, as y'all can see, and I thank you for it. So help me to get this channel to grow is all I can ask. Give me a thumbs up, like this channel. Leave me a comment. I enjoy reading them, and I thank you for them. And you just don't know what they mean to me. Just to know that there's just people out there that really cares and just enjoys watching what you do. Because let me tell you, this is hard work. It's not all glamour and glitz. It's hard. I didn't think I could go any further last night. And I didn't think I was going to get it all in there. But by the grace of God, I got it all in the refrigerators and all. So y'all have a great day. And thanks from the bottom of my heart. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care. God bless. Bye, y'all.